everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Today has been such a good day so far. I'm in a really good mood and I'm actually feeling very crafty. So what I'm wanting to do is I really want to go to a craft store, get some things so that we can make something that's like Christmas decor, something that I can put in my house and actually use. I'm not really exactly sure what yet. I have a couple of different ideas, but I don't know exactly what one I want to do. I gotta go to the craft store and see what they even have the stuff for. But anyways, I want to go do a craft, and then I also want to bake cookies because there are these delicious cake batter cookies that we usually make pretty much every year. We always have them at Christmas time, so I think I'm gonna go get the stuff for those and for the crafts, and then we're just gonna have a fun cozy night doing all of that stuff. So we are home. We just made it back from the store and I decided on a craft that I want to do. I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out, but what I want to do is I got these little paper mache houses and I really just love the look of those like plain white, I don't know if you've seen them, but like those minimalist houses that people use in their Christmas decor, and I really wanted to just paint these white. So I got this white paint. Then I have like some Christmas light stickers, which I'm not really sure how that's gonna look on there, but we got them just in case. And then I was thinking these would also potentially look cute as Christmas lights on the house, and then some different kinds of wreaths too. So I'm gonna try that and see how it looks. This might be an epic failure, I'm warning you all now, but I've just been wanting those like minimalist style houses for my Christmas decor and I haven't been able to find them anywhere. So I'm thinking maybe I can make my own, and then I was kind of thinking I could potentially put them in here depending on how they end up turning out. I was also going to show you guys what we got as far as baking stuff. We are not making white cake. We're actually going to make some cookies that are super easy to make that we make every single year. I think I told you guys in the intro, but they're cake batter cookies. These three things right here, the three things that we didn't have that we needed to make those cookies. So we're probably gonna do that later tonight. But I was in such a snacky mood while we were at the store. I got hot Cheetos. These are my all-time favorite snack. I cannot stay away from them, which is terrible. Like, these are probably so bad for me, but I cannot stay away. And then we just saw these randomly while we were at the store, and honestly we just like had to have them. I had to hold myself back because they had so many different types of like Christmas candies like these, and they all looked so good. Johnny and I were both just in such a snacky mood. While we were there, we just like were looking through everything and we were like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. So does this, so does that. And we probably almost picked up like a million different things, but at the end of the day, we decided on the gummy bears, and then I got my hot Cheetos. So we're probably gonna snack on those while we start on our little craft project. But I just wanted to show you guys everything that we ended up getting at the store. So the package that we got came with 3 different houses. There's the big one right there, medium size, and a small size. Since I told you guys I wanted to put maybe the houses in here, both of these sizes fit in there, so I think we're both going to make one of these each. Johnny wanted to do the small one and I'm gonna do this medium size one. So we have our white paint all set out. I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out, like I said, but we're gonna get working on it. I got mine all painted. I think that some parts of it needs a second coat, so once this one's dry, I'm probably gonna go back over it, but I don't think it looks that bad. The paint's definitely covering the brown, which was my fear, is that it wasn't going to do that, so that is good. Johnny's working on finishing up his first set of paint, and then we'll probably take a break from these while they finish drying, but I'll probably get my second coat done first. The second coat of paint has has been added, and I think that that looks much better. I just gotta wait for this to dry, and then we'll start trying to decorate it with these stickers. Johnny's wasn't quite dry enough for him to put his second coat of paint on yet, so he hasn't done his yet, but he will probably do that here in a sec. But yeah, I actually think that this is turning out a lot better than I thought it would, and hopefully it just looks cute with these little stickers on it. While we wait for these to dry, we were talking and we kind of want to go get some takeout, so we think we're gonna go to one of our favorite little local restaurants and get some takeout. It's Italian food, and honestly, I'm super excited. I have been super hungry. Obviously, I've been super snacky all day, so I am ready for some good Italian food. We made it home. We got our food. It already smells so freaking amazing. I have it laid out behind me, but it was decorated really cute in there. I always love how they do their store for the Christmas season, so I think I took video of that for you guys and put that in because it was so pretty. But I was gonna show you guys what we got. So if you guys are local here in Utah and you guys haven't been to Francesca's, you should definitely check it out. Or if you're not from here but you're in the area, this is literally one of the best places, in my opinion, one of my favorite places to eat if you like Italian food. But everything comes with delicious garlic bread. We always get their garlic cheese pizza. Johnny got one too, but he added chicken to it because he likes it that way. And then he always gets the manicotti, which is really good. And then I always get the fettuccine alfredo because truly and honestly, I think that that's the best kind of pasta, but maybe that's just me. And then we each got clam chowder as well. So this is definitely gonna be a huge dinner for us, but I am so excited. I haven't had this in forever and I love it so much. So we just got done eating dinner and we are going to come back to these houses for a little bit and see if we can add just a couple of things. I really want them to be super minimal style, so I don't want to add a whole bunch of crazy designs to it. I actually think that this is where I'm gonna leave my house. I know it's pretty plain, but I really was going for that super minimalist style. I didn't put anything on the sides or the back. I literally just put this wreath on the front of it, and then I ran these jewels up these little fronts of the house, kind of to try and look like Christmas lights, and I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna have to try and put it in here and see if it looks good, kind of play around with that and see what I think. It's time to see if I can find a place that this looks good in here, so we'll see what we can do. I was really thinking that it would look cute with this little tree right here, and I actually kind of already like this. So let's see. That actually looks really cute. I love this top shelf. I just don't know if this bottom shelf now goes with this. I actually kind of really like that. I think that that looks much better. Although I really like this sign, I was kind of feeling like the two signs together was a little bit too much, so having this little house with this tree is so perfect. Johnny got his second coat of paint on his, and we're just letting that dry. I was kind of thinking potentially we'll put it right here if what he ends up doing kind of matches with this area, but we'll see. In the meantime, while we wait on Johnny's house to dry, we are going to make some cookies. I told you guys about them earlier. They are the cake batter cookies that are so freaking delicious, so I'm actually really excited to have these as a midnight snack. When I say these cookies are easy, I mean they are so freaking easy. This is literally all of the ingredients for them laid out. So hopefully this doesn't take us that long. We are going to get into making these. Okay, I was just coming in the living room from baking cookies and I am actually really obsessed with how this looks right now. This was exactly what I was going for and I am so freaking happy that this little house turned out as cute as it did, and I think that it matches so well in this little shelf. I feel like it looks even better than that little sign that I had before, and I am super pumped about it, honestly. Okay, our timer just went off for these cookies and I am super excited to pull them out of the oven and see how they look. Oh yeah, those are looking so delicious. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for these to cool off so that I can eat one. Bear's just over here living his best life, laying on his dad. His dad is his absolute favorite person, and he just loves to lay on his lap. He is adorable. Here is Johnny's finished house. I think his looks super cute too. He kind of did the same thing with the Christmas lights up at the top, but he used green instead of red. And then he put the red ones down here with two little bows right here. I'm gonna see if it will work over by the Merry Christmas sign in my kitchen to set it up there. Okay, I actually think that his also looks really, really cute right here. I love this so much. I was kind of feeling like this little section needed something a little bit more right here, so I think that adding that house was the perfect little accent and I am loving it. I think these little houses are the cutest thing ever. I'm so glad we decided to do that today. I got my hot chocolate. We have our cookies that we made and I'm super excited to have them. I think we're gonna sit down and watch a Christmas movie now. Okay, and it is time for our Advent. Today's theme is actually homemade, and if you watched Vlogmas Day 2, then you saw that we actually have already done a homemade item, but what we actually did is we did 5 of each type of item that we were going for. So for example, we did 5 that were over 25, 5 that were homemade, 5 that were essentials, 5 that were miscellaneous, and 5 that were $1 or under. So we are going to start going back through that list, and today is another homemade item.
There's all this empty space.
I know. It's so crazy to see these counting down. I don't even believe that we're ever gonna get to a point that we're like down to the end over here. That's crazy.
Yeah, seriously.
So, any guesses?
I have no idea. Sounds like there's little jingly bells in it, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, let's open it up. Bear knows what time it is, so he's also waiting patiently for his.
Message in a bottle.
Yep. It's a message in a bottle. I thought that was a cute little way to write you a note.
This is cute. A little message in a bottle. It had this around it too with the twine, but I manhandled it and it's not on there anymore. But yeah, it's really cute. I'll probably, because it's going to take me a while, read it off camera or we'll be here all night.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, is mine cool? Am I excited?
Yes. Yes. You said you wanted more of these. I don't know if that gives away anything.
It doesn't. But that makes me more intrigued, I will say that.
Just by touching it, do you know what it is?
No. Oh, is it a necklace?
Yep, a little necklace.
That's cute. You made it, you put the little charm on it?
Yeah.
That's pretty, thanks baby. It says love on it. That's really pretty, baby, thank you.
Yeah, I went for a more simpler look. I know you said you wanted more necklaces and things to wear around, so I went for a simple look with just the love on it.
No, this is really cool. I love this so much because it's definitely simple, which is what I want, but I like it more that you made it, so thank you. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite ones so far.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you. We almost forgot about the most important advent of the day, Mr. Bears.
Come here. You want it? Do you want a treat? Have we seen a red dog bowl?
We haven't. That one's cool.
Jake. Go. Oh, go.
Alright guys, and that is everything for today's video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what type of Christmas cookie is your favorite, and I will be back tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye guys!